Now we are going to find a problem based on energy and power signals. The first sum is we have to find whether the given signal x of t is energy or power, and we have to also find the value of energy and power of the given signal. So the sum is about x of t, which is a continuous signal. X of t is equal to e power minus 2t u of t. So the formula for energy is E is equal to L limit t tends to infinity minus t to t x of t the whole square into dt. The given signal x of t we have to substitute in the formula, which is e power minus 2t into u of t. So the squaring of signal becomes e power minus 4t, whereas u of t is a unit step signal. For a unit step signal, we know there is a two condition. One is the signal amplitude is 1 only when the limit of t is greater than or equal to 0. So the lower limit becomes 0 and the upper limit is as it is in the integration, which is capital T, and inside the integration the equation becomes e power minus 4t into dt. So we have to integrate e power minus 4t, which is e power minus 4t divided by minus 4. We are going to apply the lower limit and upper limit. The lower limit is 0 and upper limit is t. And now we can substitute the value of t as infinity, so the upper limit becomes infinity. So e power minus infinity minus e power 0 divided by minus 4. E power minus infinity, the value is 0 and minus e power 0 is 1 divided by minus 4. The energy of the signal is 1 by 4, which is a finite number. Therefore we can also find out the power of the given signal using the formula limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integration minus t to t x of t the whole square into dt. Now we have to substitute, similar procedure is followed as it is in the energy signal. We have to substitute x of t and we have to substitute the limit as 0 to t. Now when we substitute the value of limit of t as infinity, 1 by infinity, the power value will become 0. So from these conditions, since energy is a finite value which is 1 by 4 joules and power is a 0 watts, we can say the given signal is a energy signal. So this is the way to find whether the signal is energy signal or power signal. Similarly, we can also see an example for a discrete time signal, which is x of n is equal to cos 4n. For a discrete energy signal, we have to find the energy formula is instead of integration we have to use summation. N is equal to minus capital N to minus capital N to plus capital N x of n the whole square. So we have to substitute x of n as cos 4n, which become cos square 4n. So we have to expand cos square theta using the formula 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So we can get the value as 1 plus cos 8n divided by 2. We have to substitute the limit. When substituting n is equal to infinity, we will get energy value as infinity. So similarly, we have to substitute the x of n for the power formula. The power formula is cos 4n the whole square. So similarly, we have to substitute cos square 4n. So on substituting n value, we will get the value of cos 8n as 2n plus 1. So we will get the power value as 1 by 2 watts. Here the energy is infinity and the power is 1 by 2 watts. We can say the given signal is a power signal. This is the condition for energy and